Photosynthesis in higher plants. This chapter weightage is 2 to 3 questions in NEET examination. The formation of carbohydrates from water and carbon dioxide in the green parts of plants in the presence of light is called photosynthesis. If you see overall equation of photosynthesis, 6CO2 plus 12H2O gives rise to C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2. Here, main requirements are carbon dioxide, water, light, and chlorophyll. These are main requirements. Products are carbohydrates, water, and oxygen. This is overall equation of the photosynthesis. Where does photosynthesis occur? Photosynthesis occurs in chloroplast organelle. Chloroplast is kitchen of the cell. Chloroplast has two membranes. That's why it is double membrane bound organelle. Stroma is present and also two types of thylakoids also present in chloroplast. This is chloroplast diagram. Here outer membrane and inner membrane are present. The matrix of the chloroplast is called stroma. And in the chloroplast, two types of thylakoids are present. These are granum thylakoids and stroma thylakoids. Granum thylakoids are stacked like piles of coin. These are granum thylakoids. Stroma thylakoids connect the grana. Here, if you observe one granum thylakoid, inner space of the granum thylakoid is called lumen. In the thylakoid membrane, pigment systems are present. Those pigment systems consist of pigments. What are pigments? The chemical substances those absorb light energy at different wavelengths are called pigments. These pigments are involved in the light reaction. Light reaction occurs in thylakoids. Dark reactions occurs in stroma. Photosynthetic pigments in higher plants. If you observe there, green leaf is there, outer appearance green color, but inside the leaf, 4 types of photosynthetic pigments are present. Those 4 types of photosynthetic pigments are observed by the chromatography technique. Here, those 4 types are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, xanthophyll, carotenoids. 4 types. Chlorophyll A, color blue-green or bright green. Chlorophyll B, color is yellow-green. Xanthophyll color is yellow. Carotenoids, yellow to yellow-orange. Among them, the chief pigment of the photosynthesis is chlorophyll A. It acts as a reaction center. Previous NEET bit also. And rest of the pigments are called as accessory pigments. These accessory pigments absorb light energy and pass it to reaction center. So accessory pigments absorb light energy and pass to reaction center. Chlorophyll A acts as reaction center. And also these pigments protect reaction center from photooxidation. Photooxidation is also known as solarization. So accessory pigments show two functions. One is absorb light energy and pass that light energy to reaction center. Another one is They protect the reaction center from photooxidation. Here, two types of pigment systems are present in the thylakoid membrane. Pigment systems are also called as photosystems. These two types of pigment systems. Actually, pigment systems are organized by pigments. Here, two types, pigment system 1 and pigment system 2. Photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. One molecule of chlorophyll A acts as reaction center in each pigment system. Accessory pigments and proteins form light harvesting complex. This light harvesting complex absorb light energy and pass that energy to reaction center. That's why it is also known as antenna. In each pigment system, reaction center is present and also light harvesting complex is present. If you observe there in PS1, pigment system 1, reaction center is P700 because of this chlorophyll A, which is reaction center, absorbs maximum 700 nanometers of wavelength of light. That's why it is called P700. And accessory pigments and some proteins are collectively form light harvesting complex. This light harvesting complex absorb light energy and pass that light energy to reaction center. In PS2, pigment system 2, reaction center chlorophyll A is also known as P680. Because of this reaction center, maximum absorption peak is 680 nanometers wavelength. That's why this reaction center is called as P680. Here also in PS2 also light harvesting complex is present. This light harvesting complex absorb light energy and pass it to chlorophyll A reaction center. Pigment systems are involved in light reactions. These light reactions occur in thylakoids.